What is going on, guys? Cliche Gamer here, and I'm here with another tutorial. This one is on OBS. All that stands for is Open Broadcaster Software. It's a good way of recording your desktop, and unfortunately I can't actually show you any of the previews because for some reason Fraps seems to lag out the previews. But basically here it is. The link will be in the description. It's a completely free software, and I use it to record all my games and all stuff like that. Now what you're seeing here is all these. I've made one here, which I'm just going to remove that, and I'll go through the whole process with you. When you first download it, this is what it'll look like, but there'll be nothing here in scenes or sources. All you need to do is go to sources and click add scene. Sorry, go to scenes and click add scene. Here type in scene 1 or whatever you want to call it. Then go over to your sources and add whatever type of capture you want to do. You can click game capture or monitor capture. They're the two I'm going to be giving an example of and showing you how to do them right now. So we'll start off with monitor capture. As you see, you can name it anything you want. Okay, so we'll just call this test. Alright, here you can just click here. If you have dual monitor, you can choose which monitor you want to record. I like to turn up the gamma to about 115. And then basically that's all you need to do is click set base resolution, click OK, OK again, and then you are pretty much done. You can click preview stream. Oh, it's actually working this time. As you can see, it's sending it all the way back there. That's because I've got this on my monitor. So I'm just going to click stop preview. Then if I wanted to, I could just click start recording now, but I don't want to do that yet, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on settings, and I'm going to encoding, and change this view. I can't remember what it'll be on, but change it to about 8000. Untick use CPR. Change that to quality balance of a 10 so you can get the best quality. Then tick CBR again. Then leave all this the same. If you want, you can change it, but I prefer to keep that the same. Next, go to broadcast settings. If you want to live stream, you can do from clicking the live stream tab. But if you just want to record, use the file output only. Here's where you can choose where you want the file to be outputted to. Here, click monitor, go back to custom, and then it should set it so it records your entire desktop. Keep this at 30 frames, especially if you're uploading to YouTube, as YouTube cuts it down to 30 frames when it uploads anyway. You can disable aero, but I like to keep that on for personal reasons which I can't go into right now. But desktop audio device, this is where your audio will be coming out from, like your speakers. I just keep that on my headset, and this is my microphone to my headset, so that's what I'm recording with right now. Just click apply, and then go to hotkeys. This way you can change all your hotkeys and stuff like that. Pretty straightforward on that. Make sure this is on the top setting of high, 400 milliseconds, ultra fast high, and 2. The rest, it should all be like this. You don't need to mess with QuickSync encoder unless it's come up and you have chosen that method. Microphone noise gain, again, you can mess around with this, but I prefer not to. Okay, there you go. So you probably noticed it's a bit more quicker now, more reactive. Also, it's pretty good quality. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how to record a game. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go and start up Minecraft and just have it in the background to show you what to do. So as you see here now, I have Minecraft started there, which what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to quickly mute it. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to minimize this. You have to have the game running for you to be able to make up a capture of it. Go to add again, right click in the sources and click add. Go to game capture, type it. What I like to do is I like to name it what the game I'm actually about to record, because you can only make one source per game. Minecraft. And then go to here and it'll see all this. If it isn't here, just click refresh a bunch of times and it should eventually come up. And then I can't stress enough that you must hit these two boxes: stretch image to screen and ignore aspect ratio. Again, I like to change my gamma up to about 115. Okay, there you go. If you want to capture your mouse cursor, then keep that ticked. If not, then untick it. For the games, I prefer not to have that ticked. Then we can click preview stream. as you can see, we have this going over the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to untick the test, and then okay, so as you can see here, like I said before guys, the actual test, oh there you go, because it's working and I've got it up now, you can see that it's working. If it's like this guys, and you keep going, oh stop preview and all that, all you have to do is basically click edit scene, drag it into place, and sometimes it may be like this. This is why you have to tick them 2 boxes. It's so you can freely move it so it fills your entire screen. There you can untick edit scene, and here's where I'm just going to show you one last thing. And what you're going to do is you're going to right click in sources again, and you can go to image. This is what I do for when I'm streaming guys, and I will be doing this for update videos as well. So let's say I just wanted to have an overlay. Here I have a preset thing, and then I just click OK. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click edit scene again. Make sure that I've highlighted what I'm changing here, which is the image. Crop it down to size. Then it's down to size. I drag it down to the bottom, and there you go. I have an overlay there, which is ready to be changed, and I can do anything with it. So guys, that was how to record with OBS at its best settings. Any question guys, please leave it in the comments, and the link to OBS will be in the description. So thank you for watching guys. Hit one of them links at the bottom of the screen to or just copy and paste one of them links actually, because not copy and paste, just copy it into your thing, because unfortunately it's a bit too much effort for me to makes me sound real lazy, but for me to do that for every time I have this banner thing up, it's just going to be a bit too hard. Also there, I'm going to be streaming this Sunday. I have announced it before, so come and watch me play this Sunday. Streaming on twitch.tv/clichegamer46. So please come and watch me, and we'll have a good time. Thank you for watching guys. Hit the like button and subscribe.